problem on the SAT where they're really testing you on your understanding of how you draw conclusions and if you can draw smart conclusions based on information that's given to you. So let's look at this problem carefully. What are they doing here? They are trying to understand coffee addiction, right? That's what the problem is. And what did they do? They set up a booth on a college campus and randomly selected 500 people to interview. So far what they've done is they went to a college campus, they set up a booth, and they selected 500 random kids and they did a study. And after doing that survey or the study, the health organization came to the conclusion that the data showed a high prevalence of coffee addiction in society. So they did the study, and all of a sudden now they're saying that there's a high prevalence of coffee addiction in society. Which of the following is the most problematic about the study? So I think something should look at college campuses. Students drink a lot of coffee because they're studying for exams, they're not getting enough sleep and whatnot. So if they're drawing this conclusion, they're saying that there's a high prevalence of coffee addiction in society. Is that a fair conclusion? Just because the people that they surveyed are people at a college campus. So really what the problem here is they're not taking a fair population sample. The place that they did this sampling on is a college campus. You can't say that the whole society loves coffee and caffeine just because people at a college campus like it. So the population that it picked out of was not random enough. If you're going to do this study, you want to randomly pick people from across the board, across different age groups and whatnot, and not really discriminate between who you pick. It needs to have a sample of every sect to really draw that conclusion about society as a whole. So for that reason, the answer here is going to be B. The sample size, 500 people, is a pretty large number of people to draw a conclusion from. But really the sample population that they picked from, it didn't make sense because they should have picked from more than just a college campus, from a variety of different areas, not just a college campus. So that's why the problematic part about this study is the sample size. The interview questions, we don't really know much about the interview questions, so we can't really say anything about that. And the organization is not known. Who cares? Who cares if the health organization is not known, right? That's not really part of this problem. So sample population here is what's problematic.